Okay, now this is called the Holman Illustrated Bible Dictionary. Alright, and I'm going to go under Japhet, which is in page 870. And let's see who dwelt in Europe first. Alright, it says Genesis 10 and 2 identifies Japhet's sons as Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tyrus. One of the titans of Greek mythology had a similar name. These names point to Japhet as having been the progenitor of the Indo-European peoples who lived to the north and west of Israel, farthest from Israel. Okay, and doesn't mean Europeans like today, the white man. Okay, because these were dark-skinned people when you research their history. Alright, and to further prove that fact, this is called The Heritage of the Anglo-Saxon Race by M.H. Geyer. And this is on page 20. It says, E.O. Gordon, in prehistoric London, writes the Druidic religion was brought into Britain. It is said by the Gomer Day. Possibly these Japhethites brought what was known as Druidism with them when they reached these islands, some 200 or 300 years after the flood, about 2000 BC. So it tells you in the Bible, which we're going to read right now, that after the flood you had many nations going on boats to islands, to the coast, to the isles of the seas. And this is in Genesis 9, book of Genesis 9 and verse 27. It says, God shall enlarge Japhet, and he shall dwell in the tents of Shem, and Canaan shall be his servant. So God shall enlarge Japhet, and Europe is a large landmass. It's a large territory. Okay, let's go to Genesis 10, verse 1 to 5. It says, Genesis 10 and 1. Now these are the generations of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japhet. And unto them were sons born after the flood. The sons of Japhet, Gomer, and Magog, and Madai, and Javan, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tyrus. And the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Rephath, and Togarmah. And the sons of Javan, Elisha, and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. By these were the isles of the Gentiles divided in their lands, every one after his tongue, after their families, in their nations. By the isles of the Gentiles. The word isles means islands. Okay, now let's go into the Josephus one for 1 second. Alright, the Josephus, page 141. Alright. 1 second. Just trying to find the statement. I gotta look this up 1 second. May have got the page number wrong. Okay, so I believe it's on page 42.